Hello everyone. Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A white privacy fence design is more than just a physical boundary. It is a deliberate architectural choice that combines the functional need for seclusion with the timeless aesthetic of a clean, bright palette. Unlike traditional open slat fences, a privacy design typically features closely spaced or interlocking panels that block the line of sight from the outside world. The choice of white serves as a powerful design tool, reflecting natural light to make smaller yards feel more expansive while providing a high-contrast backdrop that makes the colors of your garden pop. It symbolizes a blend of traditional picket fence charm with modern clean-lined minimalism, creating a sanctuary that feels both secure and inviting. The advantages of installing a white privacy fence extend far beyond simple aesthetics. Primarily, these structures offer an unparalleled level of seclusion, turning a standard backyard into a private retreat for family gatherings, relaxation, or play without the worry of prying eyes. From a design perspective, white is a universal color that complements nearly any architectural style, from rustic farmhouses to contemporary glass-fronted homes. Furthermore, white surfaces reflect solar heat rather than absorbing it, which can help keep the immediate surrounding area slightly cooler during hot summer months. Because white remains a classic choice in real estate, these fences often provide a significant boost to curb appeal and property value, making them a smart long-term investment for any homeowner. Decorating a white privacy fence is all about layering textures and colors to prevent the structure from looking too monolithic. One of the most effective ways to enhance the look is through softscaping, planting vibrant climbing roses, ivy, or clematis that can trail along the top or through integrated lattice panels. For a more structured look, you can install black hardware such as decorative hinges or lantern-style post caps to create a sophisticated tuxedo effect. Adding a manicured garden bed at the base of the fence with dark mulch and a mix of perennial shrubs and colorful flowers creates a tiered visual effect that grounds the fence. Lighting also plays a crucial role. Consider adding solar-powered LED cap lights or string lights along the perimeter to create a warm, magical ambience during evening hours, ensuring your fence looks just as beautiful at night as it does during the day. Choosing the right material is essential for the longevity and maintenance of your white fence. Vinyl (PVC) is arguably the most popular choice for white privacy fencing because it is virtually maintenance-free, resisting rot, insects, and fading without the need for painting. For those who prefer a more natural look, pressure-treated wood or cedar painted with a high-quality outdoor white finish provides a traditional texture, though it requires periodic touch-ups to stay crisp. Composite materials are another excellent high-end option, offering the look of wood with the durability of plastic. For a more industrial or ultra-modern feel, powder-coated aluminum or laser-cut steel panels in white offer incredible strength and unique patterns while remaining resistant to the elements. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best white privacy fence design ideas to inspire you for your next project. (1) The classic arched garden entry. This design features a stunning white garden arbor with a curved top, serving as a focal point for a traditional picket fence. The structure is beautifully draped in lush green vines and purple flowers, creating a romantic, welcoming entrance that leads the eye toward the home while providing a charming frame for the landscape. 2. Modern picket with privacy gate. A perfect blend of openness and security. This design uses a tall white picket fence for the perimeter and a solid X-braced gate for the entrance. The clean lines and uniform height provide a structured, tidy look that perfectly complements contemporary suburban architecture and manicured lawns. 3. The living wall privacy screen. This idea utilizes a solid white privacy fence as a backdrop for a thick, tall evergreen hedge. By combining a physical fence with a natural living wall, you get double the sound dampening and a vibrant green-on-white contrast that feels like a private tropical estate. 4. Lattice-top privacy panels. For a touch of elegance without feeling too closed off, these panels feature a solid lower half with a decorative diagonal lattice top. This allows for airflow and filtered sunlight to pass through while still maintaining total privacy at eye level, making it ideal for garden boundaries. 5. Geometric laser-cut metal gate. This ultra-modern approach features a white sliding gate with a unique hexagonal perforated pattern. The varying sizes of the cutouts create a beautiful play of light and shadow on the driveway, offering a high-tech, artistic aesthetic for homeowners who want to stand out. 6. The English cottage rose border. Nothing says classic like a white picket fence overflowing with pink and orange roses. This design uses the fence as a support system for heavy blooms, allowing the flowers to spill over the sides, softening the edges of the property and filling the air with fragrance. 7. Brick pillar and lattice combo. This design combines the permanence of masonry with the lightness of white fencing. White panels with lattice toppers are nestled between sturdy multicolored brick pillars, creating a high-end, estate-like feel that is both incredibly durable and visually interesting. 8. Scalloped picket with stone edging. This elegant fence features a scalloped wave top with decorative post caps. The base is lined with a clean stone border and vibrant pink flowers, which prevents grass from growing against the fence and adds a polished, professional finish to the backyard perimeter. 9. Modern minimalist railing inset. This design features a solid white vinyl fence with a thin black horizontal railing inset at the top. This window effect adds a touch of modern industrial style while maintaining a clean, minimalist profile that works beautifully with large green lawns and contemporary homes. 10. Integrated deck privacy wall. In this setup, the white privacy fence acts as a seamless extension of the outdoor living area. Positioned directly against a rich wood-tone deck, the white panels create a bright, clean enclosure for outdoor furniture, making the seating area feel like an outdoor room rather than just a backyard. In conclusion, a white privacy fence is one of the most versatile and impactful upgrades you can make to your home. Whether you choose the low-maintenance ease of vinyl or the artistic flair of laser-cut metal, the result is a bright, clean, and secure environment that enhances your outdoor lifestyle. By layering in the right plants and lighting, you can turn a simple boundary into a stunning design feature that serves your family for years to come. If you enjoyed these white privacy fence ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiration on how to beautify your living spaces. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And for more outdoor design tips, be sure to check out our playlist on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.